So I'm gonna give you 12 different make money online methods here inspired by Branson Tay, and he has some of the top make money methods there are. These are very, very viewed videos. A lot of people watch these videos. So I'm gonna give my 2 cents about these different methods. I make 6 figures per month, so I have a lot to add here. I make 6 figures online per month. And these are all online methods here. So let's dive into the video. Thank you, Branson Tay, for the inspiration. Go follow Branson Tay if you're not already. And I'm not sponsored to do this. I just want to give you guys insane value. And I'm going to try to give you guys value every freaking day of a new method that you guys can use to get results with and make money with. And if you want to get even bigger results, or if you want to start making money with these methods I'm just teaching on YouTube, get started with that and then get inside the Money Accelerator where you can have way more methods where you can just crush it and make way more money, because those methods inside there are super powerful. So let's get into this. These methods will make you money. Try to listen closely and decide which ones you want to take action with and crush it with. So let's go. So here is one of the first methods from Branson Tay here. Let's dive in. So you can earn money from every single song that you listen to. And here's how you do it. You basically go to Google and then you go type in and look up playlist push. Okay, and this is a music pitching service. And basically you can connect artists to playlist creators. Okay. And so I'm sure there's pretty good money in this. But basically you review people's songs and you get paid to do it. And the more people's songs that you review, the more money you're going to make. So you can buy a freaking Lamborghini. And you guys can freaking crush it, okay? And there's weekly payouts. And this is just a platform you can leverage to make money with. This is one of his biggest videos and methods he ever has talked about. So there you go with that. And it looks like this might be the same site. Let me see. Playlist.net and then playlist push. .com. Okay, so do two different sites you can go to. You can also go to Reddit, he's saying, and you can see what people are talking about. Or you can even go to like Spotify and look for different people who have actual music and they want it reviewed, and you can go reach out to them. Okay, so those are, and you go check out this video yourself. But in my opinion, this method can make you pretty good money. But in comparison to the methods I personally do, like marketing all day, and setting up automated content that works for me all the time and automated emails that work for me all the time, I mean, it's thousands of dollars per day. And so if you want to make that kind of money, this method probably can't make you make that much money. I mean, it cannot, like, at all, but this can get you started, and that's what's important. So number 2, the second method here, this is you can earn PayPal money very fast and no credit card is required. Ready? Let's go. So as you can see, $100 to $300 paid. It's super easy. It takes like 20 minutes a day. No skills needed. Make sure you subscribe. Okay, so this method right here, it's called Validately, a user Zoom company. So looks like a pretty good company. How it works is you go to all these different sites here and you make money. You make money. No, just kidding. So you basically test people's websites and then you make money. It's really that simple. People make websites all the time, all day, every single day. And you can leverage that and make money by just literally testing their website, giving your feedback on the website. It can pay pretty well, but you know, it pays whatever it pays, essentially, okay? And so you can test out that method right there. It's pretty decent method. Let's move on to the next method. So here is the next method. You can earn $25 just by clicking one button, basically he's saying here. So let's see if this method is legit, and let's add on to it and help you out here. So it's called peopleperhour.com. Okay, so you can live your work dream. It's basically a community of freelancers, and you can go on there and become a freelancer and basically offer work to people. It's kind of like Fiverr and all these other sites, but it has like no competition essentially. And so it can be a good method for you. And what you want to do is you want to go on this site and you want to basically see what the top listings are and basically copy them and even undercut them. So undercut your price point, make it lower than like the top people. And that's how you can beat your competition, but also over deliver in price. And you can also basically bundle together different services if you want to and stand out that way. So that can be effective for this method as well. And you can even offer a service where you remove the background of freaking images for people And there's a free freaking site you can go to called remove.bg to do this, okay? And you can even go to Canva to do that as well. I use Canva personally for that type of stuff, but anyway. Phototalk.com is another site you can go check out. You can check out this method for yourself and see what's up, but in a lot of ways, this method just can get you started. That's what it's all about. So, the fourth method here, earn $200 to $1,000 in just 1 hour just reading. Okay, so it's called voices.com, and essentially you just read and it turns it into text. You can just say words, turns it into text. And essentially how you get paid to do this is you can write articles, you can turn to ebooks, you can write articles and books. You can do work for people who want just work that they just want to kind of have it transcribed or just turned into text, essentially. You can also be a voice artist, and you could get paid for your voice. And you can, if you have a good voice or whatever, you can essentially get paid to read someone's book and turn it into also an audio recording, okay, an audio book. And so that's another thing you can get paid to do. So you can go check it out if you're interested. It's called voices.com. It's another way to get started to make money online. And it's trading your time for money in a way, but at the same time, you can make money doing this, okay? Here is another method, $600 per day from Google Translator. It's for free, this method. All right, so you're going to go to a website called, as you probably saw there, ATIUM. It's a freelancing website, it looks like. And it probably has not as much competition as Upwork and Fiverr, okay? And so this is another freelance website you can go to, make money with. At the end of the day, it's just another platform that can help you make money. But so far with these top methods I'm seeing so far, they have the ability for a beginner to make money, but they don't have the ability for you to make thousands and thousands per day, in my opinion, so far. Okay, let's keep going until we find a method that can help you even crush it more if you're interested in that. But also, I've got tips for you throughout this video, so keep listening. But typing names. So essentially you get paid just by freaking typing people's names. So let's see how you can do that. So basically your dream career starts now. Talent, popular brands from home, invest in time. Okay. So you type names. It's called Rata Type. And you take a free typing test. You just type all this stuff out. You can get paid just for testing. Okay. Typing words per minute you can get paid for. You probably earn points and get paid for that. It can be a good method, ultimately, in some ways. But at the end of the day, I wanted to kind of do this video live and just like tell you my thoughts about all these methods and try to see if they're worth your time or not, and also if you can scale it and make a lot of money with these different methods. So this method right here, I'll be honest, I wouldn't want to do this method personally, typing names and typing stuff, because in a world like there is today with more content and more opportunities than just typing names, I gotta say this one, not as much as some other methods, okay? So this method right here is about searching Google. You go to moneypantry.com, most likely it is, and it's saying there's a bunch of ways you can make money. Maybe he was just sponsoring something or something like that, or promoting something, but let's see here. So, transitions abroad. This is a method right here. So, you focus on people regardless of reason, work, or retirement. They will pay you for a travel-related article. Okay, $150. This one right here, you can write a magazine, $2,000 per post, and all these different methods you can go check out. There's a site called Text Broker. You basically type or you turn your words that you say into text, and you can get paid per minute and per 1,000 words, essentially, I think it works like. So per 1,000 words you do, you get paid a certain amount of money. You can go to Quora to find content to write, all this stuff. And you go to Google Docs to do this. Google Docs is free, so there you go. And they have the voice typer software in there that you can use. So that's the method right there. You can go to other sites that have a bunch of articles and find inspiration for what you say there. And for writing all these freaking articles for all these different magazines, you can get inspiration from Quora and from other article websites. Okay, you can just turn it into articles to go and find people who are looking to pay you for articles. For whatever niche or industry they are in or market they are in, they're looking for articles, so they'll pay you for it, he's saying. So that could be a good method to Depends if that's something you're interested in. Now, here's another method. And you get $220 in just a few minutes with this Google trick called shrinkme.io. Basically, you can shrink links. You can shrink your affiliate marketing links. And when people click the link, they essentially then see an ad, and then they go to the link you had inside the new link you created with shrinkme.io. Okay, and so every 1,000 clicks you get paid like $5 all the way to $10 or more. And it can add up. It just depends on how much volume of clicks you're getting and how you're going to get these clicks. You can leverage YouTube. You can leverage forums in different niches, and that's kind of that method. And you'll be earning pennies on pennies on pennies, but if you can essentially have it all add up for your link where it's all over the place and people are clicking, it can end up turning into a lot of money for you for sure. Okay. And also, if you do pop under traffic, that's another method, but you'll have to test it out to see. I haven't tried it. But if you get really, really cheap pop under traffic, and pop under traffic's the cheapest in the world, and all the clicks you're paying for are clicks, they're like, you pay per 1,000 in pop under traffic like $1 to $3, depending on the country and what you're targeting. And then if this pays you $5, you're making profit. Plus you're promoting some offer on the other end. That's more money for you. And so I would look into that if you're interested. But I make a lot of money with pop under traffic. But how I do it, I call it the golden ticket method. And it's inside the money accelerator. But basically how it works is I use a big pop under network called Propeller Ads. And I basically send it to high CPM videos that I have on YouTube. And I make 2x on my money. I put $1,000 in, I make $2,000 all the way $3,000 back. There are some videos that can get 10x my money back. So I put in $1,000, I make $10,000 back. Or let's say you're starting small, you put $10 in, you make $100 back. You make $20 back. You make $30 back. Doing it, and it's just the craziest, easiest money in the world. That's why I'm talking about pop under traffic to add to this method for you real quick to give you extra value. But yeah, that's a good method. Let's keep going here. So here's another method, listening to music, and what he's saying here, you listen to one music, $4. You listen to 30 music, $120, baby. Okay, so you go to welocalize.com and doing things differently. So you get paid and listen to your favorite music. Basically, you're going to listen to people's music and you most likely review it, and they're going to pay you out some form of money. They could even pay you out in gift cards, okay? And this type of money can add up for you. In your downtime, you could do this sort of thing. You can even transcribe music, he's saying, so you go to OScribe and transcribe music. I mean, at the end of the day, this method can be good, but there are better methods out there, that is for sure. I'm sure Mr. Branson Tay here would agree. But anyway, $600, PayPal money, fast, let's go. So, looks like this method has a little something to do with, you review people's software. Most likely, okay. Capterra is the software or the platform you go to here. Looks like you just review people's softwares and they're going to pay you. Because there's a lot of money in software, guys. A lot of money. And so you tell them the pros and cons, or you could become an affiliate for different softwares as well is another thing you can do. And you can write articles, you can make YouTube videos reviewing softwares. You could be an affiliate marketer for these softwares. And you can make money for everyone who goes through your link and buys, okay? Now, here's one of the last methods. We got one more crazy method after this, so stay tuned. But this method right here looks like it's going to be pretty good. It's regarding Spotify. So, you go to Spotify, obviously, and then submissions and earnings. Let's see what this is all about. So, essentially, you make your own Spotify. I believe you add music into your own account, and people go and listen to your Spotify, and I think you can earn like freaking money from doing this. Okay, so Spotify, you might know more about this than me. I don't even have a Spotify account. I just use Apple Music and I'm fine. But there is a lot of money in Spotify. I am aware of this, and so it just depends. You know, think about this. If you know Spotify well enough, try this method out. Or if you don't want to, don't do it. If you think it's not worth it, I don't know necessarily. But submissions. I believe submissions means, I don't even know. I don't even know about this method, but there you go. There's a method. It might be a good method, might not be a good method, who knows? It looks like enough people liked it enough. 15,000 people liked it enough to think it's a good method. So let's keep going here. YouTube Music. So basically, the first website you are going to go to is some app right here called Current Rewards. Offline music, Current Media LLC, music and radio. It'll play and you'll earn points for listening to music. And maybe you'll have to review the music as well. Also, you can go to music, maybe they're in playlists and you listen to them there and you just go through the playlist, you get paid. It's called Current. Okay. You could also listen to music at double speed, he's saying, as a tip. So there you go. And you get through it faster if you choose to. That's kind of funny. A new Google Chrome extension called YouTube Playback Speed Control. So you might have to get a Chrome extension if they won't let you like control the speed of the video like this. Yeah, you might have to get a Chrome extension, but at the end of the day, this method's maybe alright. Any method where you're typing or if you're listening to music or you're watching videos, I try to stay away from those methods personally, but I do know there is money there to be made. But ultimately, promoting and selling other people's products or services or your own is how you make the big money. And stay tuned for videos from coming from me here, because I mean, the methods I'm going to be sharing with you guys, I can guarantee will get you guys results. If you follow Branson Tay, good. Keep following him. If you're following me right now and you're not following Branson Tay, go check out Branson Tay's stuff. Go follow him. Go try his methods, and I hope you can see results, because I'm really all about collaborativity here and collabing with everyone, like being collaborative, I mean. And I want everyone to get results, okay? I mean, when I made my first dollar online, there's no better feeling, and then it gave me so much momentum to keep going, okay? And now I'm making 6 figures per month. I want to be at 7 figures per month, like $1 million a month or more. And so I'm pushing towards that with all the different things I'm doing. But I really want everyone who at least follows me on my personal brand side of things to make money. And so all these videos I'm going to be making is all about getting you results and making you money. So go subscribe to Branson Tay, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and peace out, learning machines. Peace.